then switch on the machine, it will glow here. Okay, then this is the intensity level, should be in minimum level mode. Okay, then connect this foot switch, one groove will be there here, see this. Okay, it should come on top, press it and tighten it. Okay, then this is called earth plate cable. Also we mentioned the down, foot pedal, earth plate, monopolar handle, hand pencil, and then bipolar forceps. Okay, second I am connecting this earth plate, then you have to connect with this earth plate. Okay, third monopolar, red with red. Sometimes color code will be different, no problem, just it's a wooden one. Sometimes blue color will be there. It's a straight handle, wooden handle. Okay, fourth, this is called hand pencil. Cutting and coagulation can do with this hand mode, yellow cutting, and this bipolar for blue. Whenever you are using this hand pencil, you have to change the mode, foot mode to hand mode. Okay, then only it will work. Okay, so now I am going to use this monopolar handle. So whenever you are using this monopolar handle, you have to use the foot pedal, and whenever using, when you are pressing foot pedal or hand pencil, it should glow, and also one beep sound you can hear. Okay, then test it. Very less power output is coming, just increase step by step. Second, depends the surgery. Now I am putting in third level, 1 MHz. For you have to see the spark, that's what. Okay, I'll increase some more. This is enough. So this level, maximum level, only I am using for demonstration purpose with the soap. So when you are doing procedures, any surgery, you have to put it in minimum level mode, whether it's first 0.5 MHz or 0.75 MHz. 0.75 MHz more than enough for oculoplasty procedure. Even for skin tag removal purpose can use this level. Very less intensity output. Okay, then after that is hand pencil. So if you want to cut and coagulation with the hand mode, no need to use the foot pedal, just change the mode, hand mode. See this. Okay, now use this. Okay, this is for cutting and this is for coagulation. It's a universal color code. Yellow cutting and blue is the coagulation mode. Okay, after that bipolar forceps. There is no any negative positive, just plug and play, that's all. For that also, only monopolar and bipolar. If you want to use monopolar, bipolar, you have to use foot mode, foot pedal, then only it will work. Okay, this is for only hand mode for cutting and coagulation. And also it comes with 15 different kinds of electrode for different applications, like skin tag, mole, whatever. For even for tracheasis, you have to use smallest one, very thin one. We are giving 2-3 different sizes and shapes, like this. No, this is the one. Yeah, this is the one. This type of thin leads you can use for hair removal purpose in general dermatology. The same you can use it for tracheasis in oculoplasty. And final, this one, cleaning blade. After done 50-60 case, carbon will deposit at the back, so that time you won't get any proper contact. Just clean it, very simple and handy. Also it comes with the carrying case, you can carry one hospital to another hospital very easily. Okay, that's all. Thank you.